How to fix not receiving a verification code in Gmail. If you're waiting for a verification code in Gmail but haven't received it, here are some steps to troubleshoot the issue. Step 1. Check your spam folder. First, open your Gmail account, either through gmail.com or the Gmail app. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then scroll down and select Spam. Sometimes verification emails get mistakenly marked as spam, so check if the code is there. Step 2. Check if Gmail is down. If the email isn't in your spam folder, the issue could be with Gmail itself. Open a web browser and search, "Is Gmail down?" A great site for checking this is Down Detector. Tap on it and look for a spike in reported outages. If many people are reporting issues with Gmail, you may need to wait a few hours until the service is restored. Step 3. Refresh your internet connection. If Gmail is working fine, the problem might be with your internet connection. Try the following. Turn airplane mode on and off to reset your Wi-Fi and cellular signal. Make sure your internet is working properly before trying again. Step 4. Reinstall the Gmail app. If you're using the Gmail app, there could be a problem with it. On an iPhone, go to Setting General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Gmail. Tap on it and select Offload App, then reinstall it. This forces Gmail to update and can fix any issues with the app. If you're still having trouble, try accessing your email through gmail.com in a web browser instead. Step 5. Check with the sender. If you've tried everything and still aren't receiving the code, the issue might be with the sender, e.g., Instagram, WhatsApp, or a bank. Double-check that you entered your email correctly. If everything is correct, reach out to the company and let them know you're not receiving their verification emails. Following these steps should help resolve the issue. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.